In this video, I'm going to show you how to mute marketing emails on Standard Notes. So if you're getting too many promotional emails from Standard Notes, this quick video will show you exactly how to mute marketing emails on your iPhone in just a few steps. So first, you need to open Standard Notes app on your iPhone. Now once you're inside, you'll land on your main note screen. So tap on the menu icon on the side of the screen, then look for the settings or preferences option and tap on it. Now inside Preferences, tap on Account. So this is where you manage your email and notification settings. Now what you need to do is to scroll down until you see the email section. Here you'll find options related to notifications and emails. Look for Mute Marketing Notification Emails. So if the toggle is gray, that means it's off. Simply tap the toggle to turn it on. Once it turns active, marketing emails like promotions and updates will be muted. Now, this setting only disables promotional emails. You may still receive important account related emails like sign in alerts. Now, if you're still receiving emails after enabling this, open one of the emails, scroll to the bottom, and tap unsubscribe just to make sure you're fully opted out. And that's it. No more annoying marketing emails. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.